Have you ever wanted to lock down the ability to add new users to your website? Maybe you've got other people, admin, editors, and you want to be the one that has supreme control over adding in new users or their roles. If I go and click all users, I need to enter in a password. I'm going to go and add in 123, hit submit, and now I can go in. How did I lock that down? Basically with this free code snippet, which you can find in the video description. Go and use the code snippets plugin. Go and copy paste it, save changes, and you would change your password over here. So each time I log in as admin and I've entered in that password, that's it. I can now keep going in and out to users, add new user, see all the users. But if I had an editor or an author, or maybe other admin users as well, because you might have multiple admin, but you want to have one person that can actually add new users in, this is going to allow you to password lock access to that with a code snippet. Hey, I'm Imran, Web Squadron. Catch you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.